Welcome to Unic, the world's leading OTC platform, now launching the IDO after hitting a $1 billion trading volume milestone. So at this stage, moving fast could make all the difference. Just 2 simple steps. You can become an early bird owning UN tokens. Step 1, click the Connect Wallet button and choose either a Solana or EVM compatible wallet. With Solana wallets, you can purchase UN using Sol, USDC, or USDT. EVM wallets also offer BNB and ETH as additional options. Step 2, choose a payment token and enter the amount to spend. The system will instantly calculate how much UN you'll receive. Then hit buy. All done. You've just seized a great opportunity to ride the next big wave in the market. Oh, and one more important thing, if you own a Unic NFT, you get a 25% discount. That's a massive advantage. So just click the waitlist button, then select Add NFT to receive your discount voucher. Finally, you can even earn passive income by sharing your referral link and inviting your friends. You'll earn 11% commission based on their total volume directly converted to USD and UN. Time is running out, so join us and catch your freedom now.